Are you looking for the perfect gift for him? Today we are sharing some of the best gift ideas for men. These are the perfect gifts for men who love the outdoors or getting their hands dirty with home DIY jobs. Get ready to see some unique home improvement tools, charging cables, and survival kits you will ever find. As always, all the links to the products can be found in the description down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future updates.
Meet this ultimate 24-in-1 emergency survival gear kit from EILIKS. It comes with various tools that can help in all sorts of outdoor experiences. Among many things, the EILIKS include a sharp folding knife, some climbing hooks, a powerful flashlight, and a fire starter. It also comes with a multifunctional spork, a wrench, a knife, a harpoon, and a bottle opener. EILIKS also has an emergency blanket, a wire saw, and many essential tools to support you when needed. This multi-purpose survival kit contains everything you need to cope with any outdoor activity you encounter. Whether an emergency or a camping trip with your friends, you will always find yourself well equipped for the situation. The best part is though the kit offers a bunch of tools, it's super lightweight and can easily fit in your backpack. This is the perfect gift for men who love hiking, hunting, wilderness, and survival activities. We all know how men can be forgetful, always forgetting where they put their keys, wallet, or phone. What if you gave them something which could help them organize their belongings, while also helping them remember where they put them? Check out this wireless charging wood phone docking station from TESLYAR. Made from 100% natural and eco-friendly wood. This stand is made of solid ASH tree and covered with non-toxic protective finishing. Other than a phone dock, the stand also has compartments for wallets, documents, glasses, watches, fitness trackers, bracelets, keys, and stationery. TESLYAR is a perfect example of nature meets technology. Men just love technology. They want all the latest tech available in the market, from a smartphone, smartwatch to wireless headphones, all of which require charging cables. But carrying all the wires can sometimes be messy. Maybe this is what the creators of the inCharge had in mind. Consider inCharge to be the Swiss Army knife version of cable connectors. It is the most compact way to carry 6 different cables in your pocket. The gadget encloses 2 USB connectors, 2 stand USBs, Lightning, and a micro USB connector for mobile phones. You can use the cable to either charge a device or sync it with your computer as well. inCharge gives you more control and freedom over traveling, eliminating the hassle of carrying several wires. The gadget is made from zinc and aluminum casing, making it durable. You can even put on your keyring to use it on the go. Men always love to be prepared for anything, which is why they love these compact survival kits. Check out this tiny survival card for the ultimate survival tips. It is thick as a credit card and is less than 4 inches long, and can easily fit your wallet. However, despite its size, the kit comes with 17 tools. Now you must be wondering what kind of tools are in such a compact space. The product designers have made sure to include all the essential tools you need to survive the outdoors. You will find a dual-edged saw and a mini knife, then a bunch of fishing hooks, harpoons, 6 hooks, a micro finger drill, 3 sewing needles, and a tweezer. For durability, all the tools are in stainless steel, which also prevents corrosion. The card comes with a magnet base to place all your used tools back on the card and not misplace them. Now we have the rolling knee pads. These are the perfect gift for men who love to DIY projects or home. As the name suggests, these knee pads are designed especially for people who need to bend down on their knees to get their work done. With the rolling knee pads, you can say goodbye to your knee and back pain. These pads come with 3 wheels allowing a 360-degree turning ability, without the need to get off the floor. The set includes a gel pad for added comfort and to relieve pressure on your knees. With a push of a button, you can take off the wheels and use them as regular knee pads as well. Thanks to this device, you will get more mobility and increase your stamina to work for longer hours. Perfect for mechanics, carpenters, and many more professionals. One thing men love more than cars is their toolbox. They will have all the tools neatly organized in their boxes, ready for use. Have a look at this multifunctional tool from Gerber. A great tool designed to save space and keep necessary tools with you all the time. The multifunctional tool combines 17 tools into one. It has a standard plier, mine saw, flathead screwdriver, cross driver, and many more tools which help perform small daily tasks, such as a scissor, knife, a bottle, and can opener. Despite the numerous features this tool has to offer, it remains extremely lightweight and durable. The gadget comes with a sheath for ease of storage as well. Now, I am not promoting smoking, but the truth is some people smoke, and no matter how hard you try, they cannot quit smoking. So if you are looking for a perfect gift for them, then check out this smart lighter. These days we find all sorts of lighters in the market. However, we found this one unique because of its unique design and feature. Rather than a traditional button and wheel, this smart lighter activates using lasers. The sensors on the light detect your finger and light up the laser. As there is no flame, the lighter is windproof, make it perfect for outdoors. Men love to cook, and especially when it comes to barbecues and burgers. The dream is to make the most unique, juiciest, and flavorsome burger, and thanks to this gadget, anyone can make outstanding burgers. Burger Press helps you make better tasting and looking burger patties. Simple and easy to use. Put the meat in the mold, press, add your stuffing, and finally seal it up with more meat, and your burger patty is ready. The Burger Press is made from non-stick plastic, allowing you to make the perfect shaped burgers. It comes with an ebook filled with recipes to take your burger making skills to another level. Check out these cool shot glasses you can buy as a gift for him. These 50 caliber bullet-shaped shot glasses are made from ceramic and can hold up to 2 ounces of fluid. They can hold any liquid and can easily be stored without taking much space. To maintain their golden color, it is advised to wash them by hand. Here is another tool to help make men more productive and clear some space from their tools box. This universal socket attaches to power drills and ratchets wrenches to help you work faster. It eliminates the need to search for the correct socket size, as it can suit all sorts of nuts, hooks, and screws. The socket is the size of a quarter and has a self-adjusting ability to configure all shapes. It has a torque of over 125 pounds, and thanks to its stainless steel body making it durable. It also comes with a drill adapter in the package. Here is another great gift idea for men. Meet this gadget by Rocco to help save time and make work more efficient. It is a magnetic wristband filled with 10 strong magnets, allowing you to keep essential building material at hand. No need to back and forth to get more nails or different drill bits. Simply secure them on the wristband and improve your flow of work. Lastly, we have the SUUNTO 9 smartwatch, which is the perfect companion for any outdoor activity or fitness tracking. These days the market is filled with several smartwatch options. SUUNTO 9 is amongst one of the best. It has 120 hours of continuous exercise tracking and is built to match your goals. Designed especially for athletic people who want more from their smartwatch. It has a robust design that can endure long, harsh training and extreme adventures. Its key features include intelligent battery modes, GPS navigation, fuse track, 80 sport modes, heart rate, barometer, and weather alert. SUUNTO is not just a fashionable smartwatch, but also an accurate gadget to monitor your fitness, health, and distance. Hope this video helped you find the perfect gift for men. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gadgets to discover new amazing gadgets available on Amazon.